Hello, today I'm read Bird and Kip. Kip is scary. Bird flew up to Kip's hole. Are you okay? Asked Bird. I was reading a scary book, said Kip. It is the middle of the night, said Bird. Why are you awake? Have fun. I'm standing all night, said Kip. Have fun, said Bird. I'm going back to sleep. Bird flew down to her nest. She went to sleep. Bird called Kip. What? Asked Bird. I'm still scared, said Kip. That book is really scary. There's nothing to be scared of, said Bird. Can you stay up with me? Asked Kip. No, said Bird. I'm tired. Read a funny book, then you won't be scared. Bird went to sleep. He found a funny book. He sat down. He ate some popcorn. Kip opened the book. Ha 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 ha. Kip laughed. Bird woke up again. The funny book. Kip was laughing. He was very loud. Bird could not sleep. Please be quiet, Kip, said Bird. Sorry, said Kip. Kip read some more. Ha ha, Kip laughed. Bird tossed and turned. Ha ha, Kip laughed. Bird covered his ear. Oh, she said, I can't sleep. Kip is keeping me awake. Bird flew up to Kip's hole. Kip, said Bird, I'm trying to. Ha ha, Kip laughed. Hey, Bird, said Kip. This book is so funny. Here, read this part. Kip gave the book to Bird. Bird read. Ha ha. Bird laughed. That is funny. He ate some popcorn. Bird read some more. Ha ha. Bird laughed. Where did you get this book? She asked. Kip didn't answer. Kip, said Bird. Bird looked at Kip. He was asleep in his bed. Bird felt awful. Bird was sick. Her throat was shutting and her head hurt. Even her feet ached. I felt awful, moaned Bird. Poor Bird, thought Kip. Kip want to help Bird feel better. I will bring something to her, he said. Kip thought about Bird was what Bird liked. Then he had an idea. Pizza crust. Bird loves pizza crust. I'll find a good one for Bird. Kip went to the boardwalk. He looked in some trash can. Soon Kip found the perfect pizza crust. It had brown bubbles Bird liked. Bird will love this, Kip said. On the way home, Kip saw Seagull. Hi, Seagull, said Kip. Bird is sick. I'm bringing a pizza crust to her. Seagull looked at the pizza crust. Said Seagull. I don't think that's a good idea. Kip feels awful. What do you mean? Kip asked Seagull. Bird loves pizza crust. But Bird is sick, said Seagull. You should bring her some noodle soup. Kip saw Pigeon. Bert is sick, said Kip. I'm taking a piece across to her. Really? Said Pigeon. When I'm sick, I don't like to eat. Why don't you bring her some warm blanket? Warm blanket? Said Kip. Yes, said Pigeon. Bert will like warm blanket. Kip saw Squirrel. Bert is sick, said Kip. I'm bringing a piece across to her. Bad idea, said Squirrel. Hot tea is much better. Really? Asked Kip. Yes, said Squirrel. Bert will like hot tea. Kip was confused. He didn't know what to bring Bert. Oh no, cried Kip. Now I feel awful too. Bert feel better. Kip feel better. Kip feel awful. He left the piece across on his branch. He went into his hole. Bert doesn't want a piece across. He thought he wants noodle soup, blanket, and tea. Kip made noodle soup and tea. He found some blanket. I'll bring these things to Bert, he said. Hi, Bert, said Kip. Achoo, said Bert. But I brought you something, said Kip. Kip gave the soup and tea to Bert. Kip put the blankets over Bert's feet. Thanks, Kip, said Bert. Then Bert noticed the pizza crust. Oh, said Bert, is that pizza crust for me too? He was surprised. Yes, said Kip. It is for you. Pizza crust is my favorite, said Bert. No, you know just what I like, Kip. Said Bert. I'm feeling better already. Kip smiled. He was feeling better too. The scary. Kip is scary.
Bert went to sleep.
Bert went to sleep.
Kip ate some popcorn.
Kip ate some popcorn.
Kip found a funny book.
Kip found a funny book.
Bird woke up again.
Bird woke up again.
Bird flew down to her nest.
Bird flew down to her nest. The funny book.
Bird tossed and turned.
Bird tossed and turned.
Bird covered her ears.
Bird covered her ears.
Kip was asleep in his bed.
Kip was asleep in his bed.
Ha ha, Bird laughed.
Ha,
that
ha.
is funny.
Ha, Bird laughed. That is funny.
Kip gave the book to Bird.
Kip gave the book to Bird. Bird felt awful.
Bird's throat was scratchy and her head hurt.
Bird's throat was scratchy, but her head hurt.
Seagull looked at the pizza crust.
Seagull looked at the pizza crust.
On the way home, Kip saw Seagull.
On the way home, Kip saw Seagull.
Kip looked in some trash cans.
Kip looked in some trash cans.
Soon, Kip found a perfect pizza crust.
Soon, Kip found a perfect pizza crust. Kip felt awful. Oh, it's raining.
Kip was confused.
Kip was confused.
Hot tea is much better.
Hot tea is much better.
Why don't you bring her some warm blankets?
Why don't you bring her some warm blanket?
Kip saw Pigeon.
Kip saw a pigeon.
Kip saw a squirrel.
Kip saw a squirrel. Kip feels better. Bird feel better.
Kip put the blankets over Bird's feet.
Kip put the blanket over Bird's feet.
He left the pizza crust on his branch.
He left the pizza crust on his branch.
Then Bird noticed the pizza crust.
Then Bird noticed the pizza crust.
Kip made noodle soup and tea.
Kip made noodle soup and tea.
He found some blankets.
He found some blankets.
Excellent!
Okay. Did you like my videos? Did you like my videos? You made me one like, one subscribe, and the bell. Okay, goodbye and see you again. Dun, dun, dun.